Assalamu alaikum. In the previous video, we saw how to create a homepage. Now we will see how to list products. Product list means that we will get product images, and where the images and pricing are, and how we will add them, etc. We will download an image downloader extension. So, this is the first link that will come. Click on it and install this extension. Then we go to My Zambo. From here we select which product to list. This is category-wise. So, we list products if we have an idea. If we know which product we want to list, then first of all we can use SKU, or we can search with an image. We have a CC cream product, so I'll list it like this. Now see if the images are good here, which are HD images in high resolution. Then we will take the images through this extension. We have images coming, so from here we can also download one or click on all of them and download them. All the images are downloaded, so now we will add products in the products section. Here we will take the name of the product from here. Copy and paste it here. Then we will upload the images here. Now change the placement of the image, like if we want this image to be the first image, then from here, this sign comes on the top right corner. We can move it by clicking on it. If we want this image first, we'll keep it as the first image, the second image will be ours, and the third will be ours. So, in this way, we can also manage our image placement. After that comes pricing. The pricing formula suggested for dropshipping is that whatever the base price is, add delivery charges to it and multiply by 2. Then we have our pricing. For example, if it is 16 dirhams, then 16 plus our 15 dirhams, delivery charges, equals 31. Add 10. So it becomes 41, and multiplied by 2 becomes 82. So now make it 89 or 79 depending on how much profit you want or what percentage profit you want to keep. You can sell it for 89 or even 99. Here comes our compare price. Compare price basically means, you have seen on websites that the original price is shown with a strike-through, showing 50% off. Basically, if you double it, whatever price we write, it automatically calculates it and shows 35% off. If we write 149, then it calculates and shows around 40% off, which is fine. We check tax on this product. If it has a check mark, it has to be unchecked. Here track quantity and continue selling when out of stock. If you want to sell even when out of stock, then click on it, otherwise leave it unchecked. Just write your stock here, then your product will be available. Otherwise, if you don't write stock here, then your product will show as out of stock. Here we click. This is the product SKU in Zambil. These are the SKUs of the product. Okay, the part after SKU is our SKU, and we will paste it here, so this is our product list. Now here we can put the description. If you want to list normal products, then put the product description here, and you can also get this description written by ChatGPT. But in the description, you have to use images and GIFs because for the product where we explain the product visually, the customer will be more convinced. So, this is for normal listing. Whatever we add in the description, images, videos, will be shown on the product pages with a section, which we will see in the next video. Let's see this listing once on Zambil. The product description is very small. For sellers who want more visibility, it's important to describe the product properly. If a customer comes to buy it and there's no description, it's not recommended. So, we will go to Google and upload the photo with Google. And we will upload an image of the product. Then we will list it here. This is a marketplace description. But on our website, like Shopify, we will take its listing. The marketplace listing is based only on text. Okay, it's in German, so we will delete it and put it in English. From here, we center it in alignment by pressing Ctrl+A. Now it is center aligned. If we want to bold any text, we can make it bold, we can make it italic, underline it, and also change the font color. Okay, if we have to upload an image ourselves, like here, in English, then we will upload an image. If we already have images uploaded here, then well and good. Otherwise, we will upload from our device. go to the image and upload from the device. For the moment, I'll put an image from here, and its alignment is also center, and this simple listing is now ready. We will save it. If we are listing it for the first time, then we have the status. It comes as active. If we don't want it to appear on the live website yet, we will set it as draft. Now we will preview it to see how it looks. Here our product images are showing. And this is the listing showing on the side. Now these product images, their style can be changed. Basically, it will show like this. On the left side, images. On the right side, description. Name, and pricing, like 89 and 149. So this is how it appears. This is our simple description. We can also change the style of these images. In the next video, I'll tell you how we can change this image style in the product listing section.